Welcome to this short video of a step-by-step installation of the boardwalk system called Greenwalk. In 12 minutes, an open stream bed becomes a finished walkway. Our Greenwalk system was developed by our own design team with a very distinct mission in mind: to provide an eco-friendly, low-maintenance method to establish a walkway through sensitive environments without damaging our ecological heritage, even during construction. Greenwalk does all of this. Greenwalk is a sturdy, long-lasting, and value-engineered system that is very simple to install. Here you can see the fully articulating bracket being installed on an out-of-plumb piling in a stream bed. Notice that the pile was installed with virtually no disruption to its surroundings. The articulating bracket is rotated into position. Then the adjustment screws are tightened down under the pressure plate. The brackets are adjusted to a plumb position to receive the header. The header, as well as all the structural members, are extruded from 100% recycled structural aluminum. Brackets are positioned to easily receive the header. All of the joist hanger brackets are welded onto the header with certified structural weld, and the header is simply set by one man. The adjustment screws are now tightened to give the header full support. The joists are set into position. Notice the bolts are already attached to the header, so there is no loose hardware to handle or drop out in the wetland conditions. The bolts are simply guided down into the slot that is provided in the structurally welded joist hangers. Once all the framing members are set, it's time for the final adjustment. With a level across the header, the adjustment screw on the top of the pile raises the header to a perfectly level position. Let's jump for a moment to an installation at a municipal park to show how the next set of piles is installed. As each section is completed, the installers lay down 2 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. Then they drive a machine that weighs up to 8,000 pounds onto the section they just installed to place the next 2 piles. Notice how the machine is sitting on the previously installed boardwalk section, not on the ground. No heavy machines are in contact with our sensitive wetlands as the boardwalk advances. Now, let's go back to our 12-minute assembly. A 5/8 inch hole is drilled through the aluminum header, and installation of the structural stainless steel bolts make final attachment to the bracket system. The structure is rigid. Next, the deck. Greenwalk's standard decking material is made from a highly engineered PS polymer designed for sun and water exposure. It also features an added acrylic cap for UV protection and scratch resistance. This product, called Eon, is manufactured to Greenwalk's specifications and unique structural profile by Gracious Living. Watch as our patented deck clip allows each deck board to be permanently installed and perfectly spaced in seconds. It actually took one man only 12 minutes to build this entire deck section, including the decking. Grade changes or angles in the boardwalk sections are easily accommodated by the threshold. The threshold snaps directly onto the header system. Now the final deck board, or the angle boards, slide easily into the structural receiver on the threshold extrusion and snap onto the decking clip. Finally, the ADA-compliant curb extrusion is inserted into the joist extrusion and fastened through the top flange. For maximum productivity, the railings, curbs, and final finishes can be done by a separate crew while the installation crew and machine is moving forward, driving piles, and installing more Greenwalk sections. Fast, beautiful, safe to the environment, Greenwalk. Thanks for giving us a moment to go through this short installation with us. Visit our website at idealfoundationsystems.com or call us today at 800-789-4810. Talk to you soon.